Hey everyone, it's Kelly France. Welcome to another episode of Try It Tuesday, where I try new products so that you don't have to. So today, and if you're watching, comment below and say hi. So today I'm actually trying the Kylie lip kit this is like a variety pack called Momager. And the reason I got this particular Kylie lip kit is because it had 5 different lip colors to try and 3 different glosses so that I could try lots of different ones for you guys today. So I am going to start, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to try to get through this fast so that you can see all of the 5 different colors and decide which one you like best and see how you like it. And the reason that I'm trying these in the first place is because I have a friend who was wearing the Kylie lip color, like the matte one, and it looked amazing on her. I think it was called the Posy color, and it lasted all freaking day. And so I was like, okay, I need to try this. So I'm gonna try this first first color is called Boss, and it looks like it's just like sort of a muted red color. So we're just gonna try this one right now, see how it looks. Again, if you're watching, tell me where you're watching from. I want to see where you're at. Okay, so this one is like just a muted red. I really like this one because it's subtle. It's not too bold and crazy, but it just has a nice pop to it. So this one's called Boss, and that's the color for that one. All right, you ready? We're gonna take this color off quickly and try the next color. All right, here we go. Now the next color is called Too Blessed. So this color, this is more of a mauve-y color. I love this one. It looks like a kind of a dusty rose. Let's see how it looks on. Ooh, that one's pretty. I like. Do you guys prefer like a bold, bright color on your lips or more neutral tones? I'm more of a neutral kind of girl. Yeah, I really like that color. That one's one of my faves probably. This one's called Too Blessed again. So there's that one. We got 3 more to try. You ready? Okay, so let me take this one off. Have any of you guys tried the Kylie lip kit? I'm curious if you have and what colors you have used. Okay, so this color that I'm going to use is called Middle Finger. That's awesome. So this one is almost like an orangey red. Do you see that? So we're going to try this one. This should be fun and a little crazy. Ooh. Ooh, yes, girl. Yes. That one's fun. What do you guys think? It's like a fiery red. Oh my word, yes. Okay. I'm digging that color for sure. I don't think I would have ever personally like picked it up, but because I bought it online at Kylie Cosmetics, then I like it. And I don't normally like a bold color, but I'm digging that one. All right. We got a couple more to go through, guys. Here we go. Okay. This one's called Overwhelmed, and I believe this one's a velvet. So I guess there's a difference between the matte and the velvet colors. So this one, and look, this one's a lot darker. This is like a maroon. Ooh, that one's deep. Okay. Woo. That one's really dark. I don't love this one as much. I think it's a little, but it would be fun for like a night look, you know? What do you guys think? All right, we've got one more color and it's called That's Wild. So hang on. Danielle says she loves it. Mix it with the mauve. Dang it, it's kind of too late, but that's a good idea. I dropped it. Okay, this is the final color. Yeah, you could definitely mix some of these. That's a great idea. Okay, this one is called That's Wild, and this is a velvet. So I guess they're in this kit, that's called Momager from Kylie Cosmetics. These are all by Kylie Jenner. This kit has a couple matte and a couple velvet, but this one looks like kind of like a deep red. Okay. I can't talk and put on lipstick. What do you think? These colors are so rich. That's one thing I love about them. They're really rich. They pop, but I feel like they would work on a lot of skin tones. So I actually like that color. Usually reds wash out my face, but this one didn't. So there you have it, you guys. And it also comes with different lip glosses. So there's like a really, this one says really. So you can add some of the lip glosses to mute it out. Let's try a different one on top. This one's called Driving Me Crazy. Let's see what this one does. Oh, this is like a really light pink. So yeah, you get a lot of variety in this particular lip kit, which is why I got it. But I'm dying. So there it is with the gloss. So you can kind of mute it with the gloss. I am dying to try some of the Kylie lip kits with like the pink tones, the neutral pink tones. I really love some of the colors on her website. So anyway, there you have it. That's the different lip colors in the Momager Kylie lip kit. So if you've been dying to try the Kylie lip kit, I am pretty impressed. I think I'm gonna get some more. So they are a little more pricey, but I feel like they are worth it because they last all day long. And these colors are like just rich and vibrant, but not over the top. So, so there you have it. Thanks for watching Try It Tuesday. And guys, you gotta try in order to fly. So talk to you later. Bye.